Hey guys, Fireworkstud number 1 and number 2 here.
What's up?
And we put together a firework rack just for a quick little show. In this video we'll be going through it, and then in the next video we'll be lighting it off. Let's go through it. First one is a glorious fountain from Phantom Fireworks. Then is a silver glitter flower from Phantom Fireworks. Those two are mine. Then next we have a single shot TNT parachute. That was mine. And then next we have a Phantom Fireworks 25 shot missile battery. That was mine again. And then a 48 shot pearl from Phantom Fireworks. That was mine again. And then we have a little Magnum artillery shell. That was Fireworkstud number 2. Let's pull that out real quick. So it looks like right there. Then we have a Mars Stars from Phantom Fireworks. That's a single shot floral shell. That's from Phantom Fireworks, and that's mine. Another 48 shot pearl. That's Fireworkstud number 2's. 7 shot toot and twirl from Phantom Fireworks. That's from me. Then here's I don't know what that one is, but another floral shell. That was mine. And then we got a TNT 25 shot Saturn battery. Fireworkstud number 2's. Then a 9 shot evil cake from Real Class. Right there. And then we got a 7 shot bomb chicka bomb bomb from Real Class again. It's Fireworkstud number 2's. Then next we have 2 mini copperhead shell kits. These were mine. And then we have a Yellow Jackets fountain and aerial combination. That's mine too. And then we got 2 Black Knight canister shells. These are Fireworkstud number 2's. Just what they look like right there. And then on the back side, while all this is lighting off, we just have a strip of twist sticks, crackling balls, some smoke items. There's a jumbo crackling ball. Yeah, flashers, all that stuff. We're going to be lighting both of the fuses off at the same time. Just some black fuse we got from a Black Cat tent. And it burns an inch.
It burns 2.7 seconds per inch.
Yeah, 2.7 seconds per inch. So, like I said, our next video will be us lighting this off, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys are just lighting off our show right now. Let me just light both.
Oh, here, let me light that one. I want to light it.
Yeah, just hand it to me.
You got a while.
Oh, both are lit. Oh! Hopefully this works. There's the first twister stick. There we go. That's awesome. Oh, there's the pearl.
Thank you.
Whoa. Oh, that was a little Magnum shell.
It fired.
Not all? What
Nope.
the heck? Oh, there's toot and twirl. Oh, that's evil. That's the world class evil right there. Oh, that's bada bing, bada boom. Whatever that is.
Oh, baby.
Oh,
here's
the copperheads. Oh, that was sick. Here's the yellow jackets.
Joe, we have 2 with 8-1.
Yellow jackets will go. There we go.
Big boys are next, guys.
Yellow jackets. There we go.
Here we go.
We should have done that one earlier.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. The Black Knight Artilleries. There we go. Well, that was a little show. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.
Dude, still.
Hey guys, looks like everything went off.
Except we got a crackling ball right there.
Oh yeah. We fused everything pretty good. I'd say that was a success. That was awesome with the Twisted Sticks the show started. Are you lighting that?
Yeah.
Why?
Why not? Like,
We're right here. Oh, what? Yep. So that's that. Everything went off. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.